Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cake premix at home, only way. Start by weighing flour, sugar, leavening, and salt precisely and sifting together. Use cake flour or all-purpose adjusted with cornstarch for tender crumb. Add powdered milk for richness and dry egg powder if desired. Store premix in an airtight container in a cool, dry place and label with date for best freshness. Measure ingredients carefully using a kitchen scale for accuracy and repeatable results. Sift dry ingredients 3 times to evenly distribute leavening and remove lumps. If you prefer richer cakes, increase powdered milk and reduce water or add extra fat when mixing wet ingredients. For a basic batch, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and powdered milk in a large bowl and mix thoroughly until uniform. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilariously easy to tidy crumbs while you bake. It learns your space and saves time so you can focus on frosting, not sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust sweetness and fat recommendations based on the cake style you want to bake. For lighter cakes, reduce sugar by 10 to 20% and use oil or melted butter sparingly. Test small batches before scaling recipes to maintain crumb and rise. Label each variant clearly and note liquid and egg adjustments on the jar so you replicate your favorite cake with consistent results every time you bake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.